What's good, family? We back again on the Dares channel. You want to know how to turn your bulk trash into bulk treasures and make thousands of dollars? You sitting on thousands of dollars, family, and you don't even know it, but your boy Dares is going to let you know how to turn your trash into treasures. I'm telling you, family, you got thousands of dollars and you don't even know it. And I got these necessary steps and a cheap way to do it if you don't have a lot of money equity on you as of right now. I'm gonna show you how to do it with the stuff that you have right in your closet. Yes, right in your closet or your storage unit or right in your basement. Let's check these steps out and we're gonna go one by one. Right. Okay, family, here we go right here with my setup. Get it started. Now, like I was saying, step one, like I said, if you don't have like the box, I'll show you the box right quick. This box right here, where I got my laptop on, it's a card set over. This is for my one piece stuff. If you don't have a box like this to separate your cards, then like I said, you want to use your ETBs right there, which will help out. And like I said, for me, a lot of my bulk is Scarlet and Violet base set and then like Mega Evolutions. So I have my ETBs, and with the ETBs, these come with the dividers, which is perfect. So like you said, like this is a Mega Evolution box, or I don't know where I just did it. Oh, this is a black bulk, right? So I'm using one of these, right? So you would take out, it's usually these right here, your energy cards, which I have to the side. You don't have to open them. Like I said, these is good, so you can put these together and sell these right here. Got those. So you want to take out your energy cards, set those to the side. And another thing, some people like to have their cards in their shoe boxes or their Yeezy slide blocks like I have to use. I like to use it for dice, coins, a lot of that. I take from the ETBs right in here. I like to dump them in my shoe boxes. So we're going to use these for coins, dice, all that good stuff. So if you got your cards in your shoe boxes, take them out the shoe boxes, get them onto your table, put your mat down, keep your cards safe and coated, and then you can use everything that go up in here and necessary stuff like dice and coins, you know, till you get ready to play, if you play, and put them in there. So like I said, and then you will have these set up right here. As you can see, I'm kind of like starting, and that's what I'm doing, right? I have hollows here at the top, and then I have my reverse hollows here at the bottom. Now, usually, commons and uncommons, right? For every bulk for every 1,000 cards, for uncommons and commons, that is $10, anywhere roughly from $10 to $15, which is 1,000 for 1,000 bulk. Now, for hollows and reverse hollows, it's going anywhere from $15 to $25, 1,000 a bulk. So that's if you're selling it to your local card store, your LGSs, or if you have people from Facebook Marketplace, or if you're selling on eBay, anything like that, and people want to just interested in the bulk category, that's roughly the percentages of which you get for thousands of cards, depending on, some people may do 800 or 2,000, but it's depending on you and the consumer who's buying the cards. But luckily, roughly it's 1,000 bulk, and it's a lot easier. So I know you're saying, yo, D, how you gonna separate them? How you gonna know what's the cards? Yes, I was throwing a lot of my stuff just into the boxes, but like I said, these ETBs is gonna help out a lot. Like I said, got card sorters, and down here, as you see, I was starting to do, I got them upside down for a reason, because on the bottom of the card, you see that circle in the EV, the icons can tell you which set it is from to. And you see that right there? That's the diamond. Get a close diamond. And then you have the stars right there. And you saying, yo, D again. How you gonna separate them? How you know which one is Scarlet Violet base set? How do you know Surgeon Sparks? Check this out. Now, if you have ETBs, right, it only comes with your player guides book, which has a lot of the whole card set that's in there. It shows you which one is commons, uncommons. So say if you don't have your laptop or your computer with you, and or whatever so may reason, if you have any of these books, if you don't have the computer to download the cards or go to TCG Player or Pokédata or to look at the cards and stuff like that, if you guys have ETBs, these will definitely help you tremendously. You got them pictures, you got them numbered. It tells you, hold on, I'll show you the page. I want y'all to see the page right here. It's a page that can tell you uncommon. Here they go. So every guide will show you, you see that? Standard set, foil, parallels, double rares, ultra rares, hyper rares. So it's gonna let you know the icons of which set. And like I said, that's Twilight Masquerade. We have some Surgeon Sparks, Black Bolt, White Flare, Scarlet Violet base set. We have some Stellar Crown, I got Prismatic, all that. So these will be far as what your guide is, what you need to do. If you're using your old ETBs, this will definitely help you and save you money if you don't want to go out and make copies and stuff like that. So bam. Okay. So like I said, you have these right now with these cards right here. They're already set. These is 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. So right now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 700 cards. So 3 more will make that 1,000, right? And that's will be my reverse hollows. And the PokéDare site is coming soon. So say if I was to put it on my site, which I'm working on that now, either say some people like Skarmory, and I just want to do individually, and I have, let's say, 50 Skarmories. I can post them up. Some people like to start with $1, or you like to start wherever the marketplace is, but don't shoot yourself in the foot, because at the end of the day, you want to make profit. Everything is profit. So you see what the marketplace in your card is, and if you go individually, you will go $1, $1.50 because of tax. You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure that you add up, equivalent your taxes into whatever you're selling it on your own. And if you sell on eBay, you got to take consideration of paying eBay their taxes, and then the regular taxes, or not just eBay taxes, but shipping. So those 2 things you're going to have to cover. But if you're doing it solely to your own business, through your own website, it would just be the taxes and the shipping, which you can cover that. And there's ways of doing that. Salute to pirateshipping.com. That will help you out tremendously. Now, the other step, okay, we have tins. Like I said, I have all my tins, which I'm showing you up there. Like I said, I'm going through steps. So if you guys open up in your boat, I open up a lot of mini tins, a lot of ETBs, surprise boxes over there. Hold on. Surprise boxes. You see booster bundles. You see tins, more tins, ETBs, stuff in that nature. So if you open up a lot of stuff, you want to have your stuff in category sections. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, you want to have your energy cards, which is beautiful, perfect. They come packaged, which you get 60 energy cards. So like you said, you can do a bulk, 1,000 cards of energies. You don't have to separate them, because if you leave them in the plastic, you're good to go. You can set them either in your surprise boxes, which I have empty over there, and you can set right here in your ETBs. And for me, I'm going to split those up into like uncommons, commons. You can use your different boxes. So yes, family, if you have booster bundles, mini tins, anything like that, and like I said, if you're short on funds or you don't have the necessary funds yet until you make your money, a lot of those thousands of cards right here, use anything that you have at your home that's in your closet. Trust me, it's gonna help you and save you a lot of money. Why spend a lot of money real quick when you don't have to? Now, if you have to, then that's a different story. But if you don't, use the necessary tools and the necessary steps in order to make your thousands. I'm talking thousands of dollars, and we're gonna get into that now, right? So this is my bin. Okay, set that right there. Okay, set that to the side. Now, these is all the ETBs that I have cards in there. We're going to go through them. Like I said, a lot of my stuff is Scarlet Violet base set, regular Scarlet Violet, some Mega Evolutions and stuff like that. So I can go through each set and start to put cards, and they have their own dividers in all of these different boxes, right? And once I'm done, you can get your bin and put your bulk, into your bin. You see I got some posters right there, and you can store it up. So this will be the bin, and then over that one is That one is booster bundles bins right there. So I'll get to that one. But this was the ET bin. So now when I go through and I put my bulk in here, not only will I have it by set, which is gonna make it a lot easier, and then I'm gonna put sticky notes on them to know, okay, if I have temporal forces, this temporal forces is the one that will have the uncommons and commons in them. You know what I'm saying? And I have another temporal forces. I'm just giving you an example. Like this stellar crown would be hollows, reverse hollows. This stellar crown will be uncommons and uncommons, so forth like that. So if I choose to do it that way, put sticky notes on them, write them down, get you a label. And a lot of these ETBs come with this, a lot of stuff right here, these little cardboards that are just, throw to the side, what you don't need. Like I said, you have these tins we have to go through, more ETBs, okay? And right here, like I said, I have my laptop, which is, I gotta turn it back on, but that has my one piece right there. This is what I like to use. I gotta turn that back on. Gotta get up there to sort my cards. Like I said, I have my station. So now when I look at my cards, I can go to the computer, my laptop, type it in, look for the card, see what the number is, the value. If I'm confused, do that. And I'm gonna show you guys the little thing, hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna show you that card. We're gonna put that right there. Give me a second, family. Show you something real quick. Show y'all. 1 second. And this is my one piece stuff over here. So I'm gonna show you. Okay. Show you guys. Now this is what you actually, when you these right here be like $5, $10, depending on how many cards. This hold over, I forgot, it's over thousands of cards in here, but this is my one piece bulk. So this is what it's gonna look like. As you see, I have my OP12, but this is about Pokemon. And I start with my 13 back here, but this is what it will be looking like, and you will have your dividers and stuff like that right here, family. Y'all check that out. So when you I need to get more of these, I just use this up for my one piece right here. So this will what it will look like, which is nice to have. So this has pretty much majority of my one piece in there. And we put that to the side. So I just want to show you guys that. Set that down there. So, but yeah, that's what that is. So, and then we have our surprise boxes that you could put those in. Like I said, different hollows now to the point of the money wise, right? So if you go through a lot of your bulk cards, some of these cards, like I said, if you want to take the time to go through them, some of these cards may be worth $3, $4. I'm gonna give you an example. 151 Snorlax, the normal and the reverse hollow, that's like $4.39 the last time I checked. So that same card, right, which is 151 that just went out of rotation, that card was a 50-cent card, and now it's a $4, almost $5 card. And for me, I still got to go through a lot of my 151, but yesterday I ended up finding 10 Snorlaxes, 5 reverse hollows, and then 5 regular ones. So stuff like that, those are the gems, family, that could potentially get you thousands of dollars. The Gengar 151, I have a total of now 35 151 Gengars. The reverse hollows, that is, I have 20 of those, and the other 15 are the regular ones. And if you know, that is a $9 card, PSA 10, reverse hollow, $820-something card. The regular one is $225. That's if they come back 10s. See that what I mean? See what I'm talking about? Thousands of dollars, and you don't even know that you got it in your set. See? Knocking stuff down. But stuff like that. Not this Snorlax, but this is the Snorlax from Journey Together. Who knows? This Snorlax maybe one day may turn into a $2 card, a $3 card. These is from this Monkey Dory. You know, look at the EVs. So you want to make sure before you put your $1,000 bulk cards away, you kind of want to go through them and make sure and check to see if you got any gems, because stuff like that, like I said, for example, any cards, any set that go out of rotation, Pokemon go out of rotation every 2 years, April 10th. So the first 6 sets, whatever that generation it in, it always go out of rotation normally, and you can't play with these cards anymore unless you're doing certain tournaments or you're doing your own. But a lot of people like to collect. They like to have, I'm a Snorlax collector, I'm a, you know, Umbreon, anything like that, Rolu, all that good stuff. So you never know, but it's always value. A lot of these collectors, investors look at this as trash. That's trash. Look. That's trash. This is cash. Trash, cash. Remember that, family. If you're using ETB, that's trash, but that's cash. So don't never think that you, and look, energies. This is cash. I got thousands of these, family. And y'all know, that is cash. Cash is king. Now, some people don't see it as that. They look at, oh, it's $10. Do the math. Look at all these. I'm not even done yet. Not even done. This is just, as you can see. You see what I'm saying? You can take this and invest it back into your business. Buy you some sealed collection. Buy your personal cards. Who knows? Pay off your car. Pay some bills. Groceries. Whatever you do it, invest it into it. Put it back into yourself or your family. Just know, like I said, trash, cash. So, just want to give y'all those necessary steps. You want to get your tote, get your ETBs, get that ready, step 1. Step 2, get your mats, get your ETBs up here, get your shoebox, take your cards out your shoebox, throw these in there, your dice, coins, all of that. Get your tins, you want to get your rotation ready to go up, have you a little section to order, all of that. You want to get your laptop, you want to get your box down there, like I said, that's with the cards right here. Feel me? Show y'all one more time so you can set that up. So get your stuff in there. You want to get your laptop. So if you got your computer, laptop, or your tablet, anything, phone like that, to keep order with your prices, what you're doing at. And I do have a label printer machine too. I'm going to put that in the next video to show you. That'll be on the other part. So yeah, family. Just want to give y'all, like I said, turn your $1,000 of bulk into cash and not trash. Hey, y'all, I'm trying to tell you, family, don't just be so quick to throw away that good stuff. You got a lot of gems, a lot of treasures in there. A lot of times people just don't take the time out and go through it. If you could take the time out to scroll up and down your phone, look for the newest movie, see what you want to eat tonight. If you got all this Pokemon, trust me, you got cash. Don't never think that. All right, family, I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. We'll be back soon, only on the PokeDares channel. And I'm going to give y'all a part 2 in the update for turning in your treasures into that cash and not the trash. Y'all be blessed out there, and I'll see you next time. Peace.